Hi guys, this is Matthew again. Today is 13th of April 2022 and these are 7 strategy for today, 13th of April 2022. As you can see, we won that trade. We won that trade right there. So I'm going to be explaining this strategy to you. Let's quickly place one more trade. Let's place one more trade. Okay, it's up there. Okay, we won that trade as well. So before we proceed, we already won that trade there. Before we proceed, for those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER automated trading boat for deriv.app, the boat is just 9.99 USD. Is automated. It plays the trade by itself and closed by itself. As you can see, the version 6.5 is out already. The boat is just 9.99 USD. If you haven't purchased the boat, visit www.touchscalper.technologies.com.ng, and for those who have already purchased the book, we've sent the updates to your email at no extra cost. Check your email. Version 6.5, as you can see some of the results right there. The PIPSREAPER boat as well is another effective trading boat for deriv.app, and is just 7.99 USD. The PIPSREAPER boat trades on digits, is also effective and is automated. To order the PIPSREAPER boat, visit binary-pipsreaper.citywidetechnologies.com.ng to order the PIPSREAPER boat. Don't forget to subscribe to our channels, all our channels. We drop so many strategies on this channel today. Subscribe to this channel and our other channels to watch all the strategies. So here are the links again. This is a link to order the PIPSREAPER boats, and we're going to paste all this in the video description on YouTube. This is a link to order the TOUCHSCALPER boat. This is a link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account. These are the links to subscribe to our channels. This is the first channel, this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. Subscribe to all our channels to watch all the strategies we drop today. So let's get back to the trading. As stated earlier, we are trading the Volatility 75 index, touch no touch, and we are using the web trader. So once you log into the webtrader.binary.com trading account, you go to the trade, you open Volatility 75 index, then you go to trade type, you click on touch no touch, then you click on no touch, you set the durations to 5 ticks, you set the barrier offset to minus 554.786, then you enter your payout, depends on what you have in your account. You open the chart as well, you go to chart, Volatility 75 index, then you set the time interval to 1 tick, so it has to be 1 tick. You click on here, then you click on 1 as 1 tick, then you drag this very close towards this edge so that you'll be able to see this movement right here. You can see the way it's moving. So once it's up right here, we're going to click on purchase. You can see it's down at the edges there. Once it's pushed right up, we're going to click on purchase. So let's place one more trade before we proceed to our next strategy for today. To watch the movement right here, you can see it's down. Okay, you can see it's up right there. Let's wait. The time counts. We have 5 ticks left. So okay, you can see we won that trade. Actually, we are close to the barrier, but we won that trade as well. So you can go on and on and on. Make sure you watch carefully before you place the trade. Make sure you drag this very close for you to. You can see what I'm talking about. You have to drag it very close for you to be able to see this movement. It has to be up before you click on purchase. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. Thanks for watching. Bye.